Clearbrook, North Dallas, 2025 Tesla launch edition of the Model Y Juniper with the new front end, back end, and some accents in the interior, different mirrors, full wrap, Xpel's Ultimate Plus, paint protection film, 10-year guarantee, installations, the lifetime that you own the vehicle in conjunction with Xpel's guarantee for the film. We cover our installation for that long. This is the full car we did, full quarters, full doors, full A-pillars. All this is pretty much the same as the predecessor. However, the nose and the ass end of it are different. Great refresh. Looks really nice. A little bit of Cybertruck here. Other than that, they switched the tow hook around. Everything's nicely wrapped. No edges. Everything looks fantastic. Still having some gap issues. This gap's a little bit bigger here than over here, but hey, what are you gonna do? Everything's nice. The film is nice and clear, free from any debris. Everything's wrapped in here. Here's your new driving lights. All this is fully wrapped in, all in here. The tow hook fully wrapped inside, meaning the hook's wrapped, the cover, and then inside the bumper area. Coming around our doors, let's hit our cameras. Cameras fully wrapped in, no evidence of film. No evidence of film on these edges. No evidence of film here. Everything wraps in under the fender and all the way down the A-pillar. Mirrors has a seam here with this big edge they put here. It's all one piece. Everything's under the moldings here. Coming around to the door, everything's looking really good in the handles. Fully wrapped in. Fully wrapped in both doors, all the bottoms. Coming here to the back quarter, fully wrapped in here. Fully wrapped in here. Sorry, I'm going a little quick because I got to meet a deadline for another car. On the door here, fully wrapped in, no big deal. We just put it in service mode or car wash mode and we can get it all wrapped in. So door handles again, all the panels, these come off just like the predecessor. They're smaller, and that's about it. Much more of the same here. Everything's under the cameras. Everything looks fantastic. So appreciate you guys watching. ClearBrookNorthDallas.com, ClearBrookNorthDallas@gmail.com for emailing. Phone 214-414-3809. The new 2025 Juniper launch edition Model Y. Appreciate you guys watching. Any messages, any comments, feel free to leave them and I will certainly get back to you. Take care. Thanks for watching.